Look, I need to be honest with you. 6 months ago, I was bleeding $500 every single month on marketing tools. ClickFunnels, Jasper AI, SEMrush, Hootsuite, ConvertKit. The list went on. And here's the kicker, I was barely using half of them. I am Bishopsit and I run Maxi Marketing from Bangladesh. I am 22 still in university and I could not justify spending more on software than most people in my country to make in 2 months. So I did something crazy. I replaced almost everything with AI tools. And not only did my marketing get better, now I am spending less than $50 a month. If you are also founder watching your tools cost spiral out of control, stay with me because by the end of this video you will have the exact stake I am using. Why each tool matters and how to set it up this week. But first, let me tell you about biggest business failure because it's exactly why this matters. In 2023, I launched something called World Winner CP. I was so proud of it and spent months building it and it completely flopped. You know why? Because I was so busy managing dozens of different marketing tools that I forget to actually tell to people about what needed. I was during in dashboards, losing the time or switching between platforms, and my brain was fired. That failure taught me something critical. Complexity is expensive not just in dollars, but in full focus. And focus is what actually builds businesses. So when AI tools started getting really good in late 2024 and into 2025, I saw an opportunity not to replace human creativity, but not to replace the choice. Now, before I show you the stick, I need to level with you about something. This is not same delete your all tools overnight. Stations, I tested this of 6 months, same thing failed spectacularly. Some AI tools were garbage, but after burning through probably 30 different platforms, I found the combination that actually works. And here's what works means to me. It saved me at least 15 hours per week at cost less than $50 total. It produce content and strategy that actually convert. It does not make me sound like a robot. Let me show you each place and why it's in the state. Tool 1. Claude AI Entropy. This is my content brain. I am using Claude Pro at $20 a month and it's replaced 3 tools I was paying for. Jasper AI $49 a month, Grammarly Premium $12 a month, and Copy AI $36 a month. That's 97 down to $20 right there. But here's what most people get wrong with AI writing. They use it like a content vending machine. They write me a blog post about SEO and expect magic. That's not how this works. I use Claude as a thinking partner. Here's my actual process. I start conversations like I am planning to YouTube video about local SEO for small businesses. My audience is businesses owners aged 35 to 55 who are not tech savvy. I would not focus on Google businesses profile optimization. Ask me question about what I want to achieve, and then Claude asks me question. It helps me clarify my thinking. Then we build the step together. I provide the expertise and real examples. Claude helps me structure and it gets graphs in my logic. My Maxi Marketing blog, I went from publishing 2 articles per week to 6, not because AI writes them for me, but because it eliminates the blank page problem and helps me organize my thoughts faster. Real example, last month I used Claude to help restructure a 3,000 word article about affiliate marketing mistakes. It identified that I was buying my blog post, my best points in the middle. We regenerated a traffic to that post increased 34% because people actually read the ink now. Tool number 3, Canva AI, Magic Design. I was paying for Adobe Creative Cloud $55 a month because it thought I should use professional tools, but here's the truth. I am not a designer. I was spending 3 hours making medical graphics when I should have been building relationship with clients. Canva Pro is $13 a month. Their AI feature Magic Design, background remover, Magic Eraser handle 90% of what I need. YouTube thumbnails, social media posts, presentation decks, even simple video edits. Panel interrupt question, how many of are paying for tools we think you should use instead of tools that actually match your skill level? Drop a comment, I am curious. Tool number 3, ChatGPT Plus with Source. I cancel SEMrush $120 a month and Ahrefs $99 a month. Now before you freak out, I don't replace all of the 3 functionality. If you are an enterprise SEO agency, you still need those tools, but for a slow founder doing content marketing, ChatGPT Plus at $20 a month with web search actors giving me keyword research. I asked to analyze research instead of find long tail variations. Computer content analyze, I fit it keywords and ask what gaps I can fill. Content briefs, structured outlines based on what's actually ranking. Here's what I do. I take a target keyword like AI marketing for small businesses. I ask ChatGPT analyze the top 10 ranking pages for this keyword with the topic, do the all cover, and what's missing? What question are people asking forums about this? It searches the web, analyzes the results, and give me a specific brief. Then I use my actual SEO knowledge. The step I learned the hard way from 2022 now to execute on that brief real results. My article simple SEO list for now website is now ranking number 7 for a 2,900 monthly search volume keywords. I spent $0 on keyword research tools, just strategic thinking and ChatGPT Plus. Tool number 4, Brevo, formerly SendBlue. Free plan I was using ConvertKit at $29 a month. Great tool, but their free trial only allowed 300 subscribers. Brevo free plan, 300 emails per day, unlimited context for a solo founder just building their list. This is perfect. Once I hit serious volume, I would upgrade, but right now free. And here's the AI piece. I use Claude to write my email sequence, then I test different subject lines using Brevo's built-in A/B testing. Tool number 5, Make.com. Automation. Free plans this replace Zapier $200. Max free plan gives you 1,000 operations per month. That's enough to automate. Now blog post, automate post to X, Twitter, and LinkedIn, YouTube upload, send email to my email new subscriber. And the sequence based on their sign up source, that AI angle. I use Claude to write the automation logic before I build it. I literally describe what I want to happen. Claude gives me that step-by-step flow and I build in Make. Saves me hours on trial and error. Now I know what's some of our thinking. Because this sounds too good to be true. What's the catch? Fear question. Let me tell you what AI can do. It can't replace your unique experience. It cannot understand your specific audience better than you do. It can make strategic discussion about your business positioning. And it definitely can build relationships for you. Remember, when I told you about my mechanic background, I spent a year learning how to diagnose engine problems. You don't just throw parts and engine, you listen. You test, you think systematically. AI is same thing. It's a diagnostic tool. It's force multiplier, but you are the mechanic. Tools number 6. Typefully. Free plan, I cancel Hootsuite, $99. Typically, free plan lets me schedule unlimited tweets and LinkedIn posts. 3 AI writing instant helps me repurpose long form content into thread formats. My process, I write a blog post with Claude's help. Then I ask Claude to pull out the 5 most tweetable insights and plug those into Typefully. Schedule from throughout in this week and boom, constant social media presence without the mental load. Tool number 7, Notion AI. $10 a month. This is my brain. I cancelled Evernote $10, Trello $10, and ClickUp $9. Notion replaced all 3. And their AI features help me summarize meeting, notes create project, templates, draft client proposals, organize my content, calendar. It's perfect. No, but it's 80% of what I need on third. The price? Okay, real tell time. This stack is not for everyone. It would not work if you are running a team of 10 plus people. You need enterprise collaboration tools. You are doing heavy technical SEO for clients. You need proper crawling and backlink tools. You don't want to learn new AI tools. Their eyes is learning curve. Just expect AI run your business for you. It would not. This is well work if you are a slow founder or small teams. You are willing to be the while AI handles execution and you value time and focus over having the best tools. You are okay with 80-20 solution. Getting 80% of the results with 20% of the effort and first here my honest assessment after 6 months. My marketing don't get worse. It gets more focused. I am publishing more, engaging more, and actually enjoying the work more because I am not context switching between 12 different platforms. My revenue, it's up 40 compared to the same period of the last year, but that's not because AI magic. It's because I have more time to the things that actually matters. Client calls, strategy session, building relationships, creating valuable content. So how do AI actually transition to this stack? Don't do what I did. Unify. Don't cancel everything at once. Week 1. Sign up for a Claude AI Pro and ChatGPT Plus. Start using them alongside your content tools. Test them on the real project. Week 2. Move on content workload to the new stack. For me, it was easy to escape. See if the quality helps out. Week 3. Migrate your email sequence to Bravo. Test your automation before cancelling your old email tools. Week 4. Audit everything. What tools have not you touched in 30 days? Those are your first cancellation. The key is general migration. Don't create choice in your business for the sake of saving money. But what about the data security? Valid concern. I don't put client confidential information into AI tools. I use them for framework, structure, and public content. Sensitive step says in the encrypted source platforms, what if this AI companies price prices? They might, but even if Claude and ChatGPT both double in price tomorrow, I did still be paying $80 a month instead of $500. And the competition in AI is force. New tools embrace consistency are not just making yourself dependent on AI. Here's my philosophy. I am using AI in the way I use my tools and the mechanic shop. A words does not make you dependent. It makes you more capable. AI is a voice, your brain is still a mechanic. Look, I am not saying my evangelist telling to you to find your team and replace everyone with robots. That's nonsense. But I am someone who started with nothing in December 2021. I failed at more times than I can count. And I learned that sourcing is not about having the finest tools, it's about removing function from the work that matters. And this stack removed $450 a month of those functions from my businesses. It gave me a break, back 15 hours per week, and most importantly, it let me focus on the reason I started making marketing. It's not the first prize. It's how people to like the build and grow real online businesses and with honest driven stories. If you're a slow founder, tired of tools, bold, start with on changes this week. Just on test it, see if it was your specialization. And here's what I did love from you. Drop a comment telling me which tool is eating up most of your budget right now. Let's figure out and if there's an AI alternative that might work for you. If this was helpful, hit the like button. It tells YouTube show this to other solo founders who need it. Subscribe if you want more honest breakdowns of what's actually working in digital marketing in 2026. No hype, no BS, real. It is more from someone still in the tennis with you. I am Vishwajit and I will see you in the next on. Bye.